Listen, I'm going to tell you why the Jordan 1 UNC toe, which just dropped, is the best, ultimate and must-have Jordan 1 colorway to any new sneakerhead in the game. Let me explain. Let's just get straight down into this and let me tell you why I'm putting it out there. The colorway alone is fire. No ifs or buts. The combination of the university blue, the white and the black is a classic colorway, and let's be honest man, this is going to elevate any outfit you're going to wear, giving you that swag we all want, and people are going to see the kicks and look at you. Seriously, it's not just about the colorway on these kicks. I mean, from the premium leather uppers to the butter smooth overlays, this kick just screams quality. It actually feels like Jordan have given you a sneaker they want you to wear, and it will last for a minute. Now I've described the kicks to you, so let's just look at them. The first you get is a university blue box. Usually with a Jordan High, you'll get a black box with red branding. Some Jordans, different colorways, you'll get a color coordinated box like the yellow taxis. You've got a yellow and black box with that one. Nothing too special to write them about the box. So let's do what we normally do, and let's start with the sole. You have a baby blue, university blue outer sole. The grooves on the sole is a typical Jordan 1 grooving. It's not too dissimilar to an Air Force 1 and a Nike Dunk. I said not too dissimilar, I didn't say the same, so don't jump on me. You have the Nike logo in the middle. If you move around towards the top of the shoe, you then have a midsole which is all white, and you've got the white stitching as usual. Going to the upper of the shoe, you have a nice premium white leather in the middle of the shoe, which is adorned by a black overlay leather swoosh. That same black overlay travels around the toe box of the shoe and also up the lace hole linings of the shoe as well. The toe box itself is also in the university blue colorway, hence the university toe or UNC toe. The tongue is in a black nylon material with, again, the university blue Nike Air branding on the top. The inner lining of the shoe is also in black, and the inner sole also has a black lining with a blue Nike Air branding stamped in the middle of it as well. If we move round to the ankle collar, you'll see you've then got another nice tumbled leather overlay in the university blue colorway, and that is the same as on the heel. And to finish it all off, you've got the iconic Air Jordan basketball wings stamped on the heel on the outside of the foot. You also get a lace swap with this, and this comes in a nice little box which says Move to Zero. It's got a Jumpman embossed in it, which is a bit contradictory, because if it's Move to Zero, why give us the cardboard? I don't understand that, but is what it is. The laces themselves are a university blue or baby blue, university blue, because that's what's university, and I personally will be swapping these out because I just like my toe box to sync with my laces, and I think it'll be a better look anyway for the kicks, in my humble opinion. Now you might be wondering if this is all style and no substance, because a lot of people out there say Jordan 1s are not comfortable, but I've never had a problem wearing Jordan 1s all day. I know some people have, but I haven't. I think it's quite similar to wearing a Converse or a Van. Vans might be a bit more cushiony, but it's not too dissimilar in the fact that it's a kind of flattish kind of trainer. The padded ankle gives a lot of comfort, and so does the padded tongue. One of the biggest reasons as well, I believe this is definitely a kick for newcomers to the sneaker game, is that these seem readily available. Now, they're released by a number of retailers, and just to put it in perspective, some retailers didn't even do a raffle like Offspring. They just opened it up to everyone to try and join and get the sneakers. Obviously Sneakers done their raffle, but you could collect them. I've seen some still sitting in certain sizes. Now the prices range between 175 to 180. That's around approximately $200 US. If you don't get your size, yes, you may have to pay a little bit more on retail if you really want them, which I suggest you do, but they're not going to be astronomical like a Travis Scott. So there you have it. The UNC toe is, in my opinion, the best Jordan drop this year for any new person to the sneaker game to get in their collection as an introduction to Jordans. Because buying Jordan 1s, it can be a raffle when it comes to the material used. These ones, readily available, price is the price, wicked sick colorway, go with any outfit, we'll get onto that in a minute, and the materials are top quality. Argue with me. So now I did promise that I would give you some tips on how to style these, because obviously you're new to the game, but we've kind of run out of time. So what I'd suggest you do is subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell, because that'll let you know when I upload part 2 of this, which would be my tips on how to style your Jordans. People, thank you for coming. I'll see you next time. I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.